Welcome or welcome back to another day of Junk Journal July for 2026. So let's grab our junk journals and our ephemera and bits and pieces and let's get creative together. For day 3 and the prompt of present. Let's first open up the journal and find a spread for today. I feel like the journal with the ribbon is kind of a present in itself. And yeah, but I really wanted to also do a complete spread about it and maybe include some more ribbon. We will see. I just had this beautiful lace ribbon kind of on hold for this spread, as well as some little doilies, because I wanted to include some decorative elements. In the end, I didn't really... yeah, I did venture off my first plan. You will see it later. But yeah, sometimes I go in with an idea into this kind of spreads and then the idea totally pivots somewhere down the line. But I feel like that's the fun part of the creative process, that you can always change your mind and change things up while you work on something. And this is the part I really like about going with the flow and not having everything strictly, neatly planned out beforehand, in a way. Here I'm looking through this little sticker book if something there catches my eye to add to the spread, or I don't know. How are you guys approaching your Junk Journal July spreads or your prompt related art journal or junk journal spreads in general? Do you plan out before you sit down to start, or do you sit down and just follow the flow and see where the creative river will bring you at the end? Let me know in the comments down below. I would also love to hear from you. And I'm so happy to see all your beautiful creations. So I just wanted to remember, if you haven't heard me talking about it yesterday in the video, share your creations if you want to on the community page of my channel. I would absolutely love to see what you come up with for each day of Junk Journal July. Or just post it somewhere else if you only use other platforms. Then just use the hashtag Junk Journal July 2026 so that we can see each other's beautiful creations and interact and get inspired by the other works. Here I just decided to make this little corner out of the doily. I really like to include these kind of muffin doilies, I think they are. Just these really small cake things. And I love to make them as part of the corner of something. I don't know why that's my way to do it so often, but I don't know. It's just something that is, I don't know, in the front of my mind when I have one of those to work with. And I just thought it would be a nice decorative touch to the present kind of theme. And I decided to not only include the present as kind of a birthday present or a Christmas present or something, but I also like to include the kind of present as cherishing the present moment. So I also included a little memory from a few weeks back, and the little quote of yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. I just really love this quote, even though it's a little bit cheesy in a way, but I kind of think it's nice to remember sometimes, just because the only thing we have is now, right now, this moment, this very present moment is the only thing that is kind of clear that we have it. Everything else is not guaranteed in a way. I don't know. I sometimes think it's very nice to remember that, and then there are other days where I feel like it's depressing. I don't know. Sometimes I think it's hopeful if you worry too much about the future, then it's nice to remember yourself that the only thing that counts for now is now. Because you can't do something about the future, you can only do something now. And the little things you do on a daily basis that make the present and the moment now nice is what compounds into hopefully a good future. Yeah, I don't know. Hope that wasn't too cheesy. But I feel like sometimes you need a remembrance of that, or at least I do, to not focus too much and get too anxious and worrisome about the future. Especially nowadays when you turn on the news or any kind of things going on in the world, you kind of can get lost in the worries of everyday life. And so that's why I really want to remind myself from time to time to just stay in the here and now, because that's the only guaranteed time we have. Here I did include the photo from this little memory, and also this is kind of a funny story. Maybe I have to tell it. I was in France and I had a beautiful sunrise watching over the sea, and then I decided to get myself a nice cup of coffee and a croissant to have a little breakfast there. And the moment I showed here is the moment where it still looks beautiful and is very peaceful and was nice. But it didn't end that way, because the croissant and half of my coffee got stolen by the seagulls. They kind of attacked me. I was shushing one away and kind of staying very focused on the one seagull to make sure that she doesn't steal my breakfast, and then the other one came from above and just took half of my croissant away. And I spilled half of the coffee because it was so subtly that I got a bit of a jump scare and spilled the coffee. So it was a bit terrifying, but now it's kind of a funny story to look back on. So that's about this beautiful looking moment. It was only so peaceful and beautiful for that very present moment. But I feel like it's funny, and I really wanted to document it to remember this kind of situation. And yeah, like you see me laughing here, it's funny now. And I feel like so many of life stories are kind of bloom out of very weird or sometimes inconvenient situations. Here I'm just adding the little tag for the day, and I'm quite happy that this spread is interactive, and I did do something with the envelope part of the spread in a way. I feel like this one is a very cutesy spread. I don't know. It's not my typical style, but I love the outcome anyways. It kind of, I don't know, gives the vibe of a present and a gift you want to give to someone. So I don't know. I like it and I'm really happy with it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really, really happy. And if you want to join me on more fun creative daily adventures for July, hit the subscribe button down below. See you in the next Junk Journal July video. Happy creating!